Ukraine says it has killed around 400 Russian soldiers in a missile attack on the occupied Donetsk region. The missile targeted a building in the city of Makivka, where Russian forces were thought to be stationed. The figure has not been verified yet. Pro-Russian authorities acknowledged casualties but did not confirm the figures being reported. In Kyiv, air raids sounded on Sunday night as the latest wave of drone and missile strikes from Russia continued. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol said that Seoul and the United States are discussing possible joint exercises using US nuclear assets after North Korean leader Kim Jong-un labeled the South its undoubted enemy. North conducted a record number of missiles last year and several North Korean drones entered South last week. All this has led to Yoon calling for war preparation with an overwhelming capability. According to reports, Yoon wants the joint exercises to be aimed at a more effective implementation of the US's extended deterrence. It further said that Washington was also quite positive about the idea. The head of the International Monetary Fund or IMF has warned that one-third of the global economy will be in recession this year. IMF chief Kristalina Georgieva said that 2023 will be tougher than last year as the US, EU and China see their economies slow down. It comes as the war in Ukraine, rising prices, higher interest rates and the spread of COVID in China weigh on the global economy. In October, the IMF cut its global economic growth outlook for 2023. On the CBS News program Face the Nation, Georgieva said, and I quote, "We expect one-third of the world economy to be in recession. Even countries that are not in recession, it would feel like recession for hundreds of millions of people," she said. According to North Korean state media, the second most powerful military official after leader Kim Jong-un, named Park Jong-chon, has been sacked. Park was the vice chairman of the Central Military Commission of the ruling Workers' Party and a secretary of the party's Central Committee. As per the official KCNA news agency, he was replaced by Ri Yong-gil at the committee's annual meeting last week. No reason for the change in the military was reported. As per reports, Pyongyang regularly reorganizes its leadership and the year-end party gathering has often been used to announce personnel reshuffles and major policy decisions.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.